Okay, I'm in the lobby of the Merlot.
Alright, let's do it.
Hacking in.
Look at that. Secrets and lies floating in a cloud of data. I just reach out, pluck it from the sky, and it's mine.
It's ours. Stay focused. You got a nasty security system. How much we got?
100 grand in 30 seconds. God bless the rich and famous. We are the modern day magicians, siphoning bank accounts out of thin air. Do you hear yourself? What was that? Hello. I think someone else is hacking in. Let's take a peek. Let's not.
Stick to the plan, Damien.
Siphon the accounts and get out. Adventure, my boy. Have faith in your mentor. Something triggered that alarm. Let's find it. Shit. It's scanning the system. I'm almost there.
I'm shutting down now.
Don't you touch a thing. What the hell is that?
We need to abort.
We are not done. Help me.
Damien, it's over. I'm disconnected.
Maurice.
Yeah.
You're on. One of our contractors ran a search for the hackers in the Merlot job. You're assigned Aiden Pierce. Take him out. Hit the family if you need to. This guy's hacking days are done.
Hit the family?
Got a problem?
Nope. I'll scare him good. You'll never hear from him again.
Who gave the order? Told you. You don't know.
Hit the family? Not a problem. Nope. I'll scare him good. You'll never hear from him again.
What do you think, Maurice?
Did you scare me? It was a job, man. I didn't know.
The call.
They never gave me a name.
I'll tell you your name. Lena. Lena Pierce.
I didn't know about any kids, alright? That wasn't supposed to happen.
think?
Look, babe. Even if I knew a name, you couldn't get me talking. These guys. I heard stories, man, they're like nothing you ever seen before.
Some things you can't walk away from.
Who gave the order? I spoke to them on the phone. They told me where to find you. That's all I know, man. That's all I know. I don't know. A name. Kill me, man. Just fucking kill me.
How's your memory now? Maurice won't talk to me, but I bet he talked to you.
I can't keep running. I can't do it. That fucking Aiden Pierce. I killed his niece. He won't stop chasing me. Where's this guy? What am I gonna do? He keeps coming.
I need to keep moving.
Yo, Maurice! Yo, what's shaking, motherfucker?
Where the hell you been?
What?
He's talking to me.
I leave you for 2
Give me
minutes.
my bullets.
I tossed them. What? You said you'd kill him
I
otherwise.
told you to hold on to them, Shorty.
I
Where you been,
had
anyway?
to make a call. And you get what you need from Maurice? Kidding me.
Clean this mess up. Stop
Hey.
admiring your work.
That's cute and all, but I'm disappointed, Pierce. I mean, you failed to spot the
don't like
nasty
loose ends.
inter-gang drama.
I'm out of here.
Too late. Bottom of the 8th. Chicago's ahead. Game's almost over. We are out of time. Come on, you're not just a little
All right,
interested
fine.
in my
Tell me about you.
Glad you asked. Okay, we got a bunch of 40,000 people above. We need a distraction. I called.
Chicago police! If there's anybody in here, identify yourselves.
Wish they'd just play in their own backyard.
Here. Definitely a viceroy. Here's the weapon.
I got another corpse. Another viceroy.
Victimless crime, man. Why'd they have to pick the biggest game of the season to pull this shit? Trying to
Squad, we got 2 bodies in the basement of May Stadium. Gang bang.
Secure your position for now. We're sweeping each level of the stadium.
All right. Doesn't look right to me. Why are they killing each other? And why here, of all places? Looks like a gang hit. Wait. You don't think it's the vigilante? Does feel like his brand of justice, don't it? I wouldn't give to get my hands on that piece of shit.
Hey, you, sir.
This is bullshit.
Yeah, you, come here.
You ain't got no probable cause.
We're just talking.
Look, I got my tickets right
Now,
here.
keep your hands where I can see them.
Bullshit, Jay. Didn't do
Get
nothing
back
wrong.
now. You're viceroys,
That
aren't
ain't illegal, right?
you? Don't get smart. How did you two afford VIP?
Bet she makes more than you do.
Yeah?
Hey, yo, Dee, calm down, alright? Don't give him nothing making you.
Something tells me if we run you shit stains through the system, we'll come up with plenty of use. I need to see ID.
Fine,
Both
show
of you.
shit.
Bad boy. The police are about to lock this whole place down. I'm stuck unless we create a major distraction. I want to cut the power and slip past them.
To the whole stadium? I thought you wanted to keep the vigilante out of the news. Everything's connected to the CTOS with serious firewall.
Right now, I need to get out of the stadium. Can you find me the nearest access point?
In the next room. Or you'll need to find someone with security clearance.
Security guard should have access. All these cops, there's gotta be one around.
Hey, you Alan? Yeah, I am. You got an evacuation plan, right? Of course we do. Good, we need to get moving on it.
We're not going to evacuate 40,000 people so we can play cowboys and Indians. But you got an isolated incident in the basement. We can close the basement. I got no
This
problem
whole
with that.
place is about to fill up with Chicago PD. That's gonna cause a panic. We need to shut the game down and get people out of here safely.
Shut it down. I can't make that
Well, then
call.
call somebody who can make that call, please.
Hang on. Yeah, get me Barry. Well, tell him to call me ASAP. It's an emergency. So just how bad are things down there?
Yeah, we don't know yet. We're dealing with a crime scene, though. The
Well,
coroner's
it's
on
gotta
his way.
happen on my watch.